The 2025 Audi RS6 is a member of the Audi A6 family, and is noted for its powerful performance, stylish look, and adaptable usefulness. The Audi RS6 2025 Avant has a sporty and aggressive look, with larger wheel arches, distinctive RS-style components, and an elegant aerodynamic profile. The 2025 RS6 Performance's interior features cutting-edge technology and an elegant design. There are two sizable touchscreens on the dashboard between the front passengers, and the driver faces a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The rest of the cabin is furnished with leather furniture and provocative accent pieces. A panoramic sunroof, quad-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, and wireless phone charging are just a few of the opulent features that come standard with the RS6 Avant. The Audi RS6 wagon features 30 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seats. The infotainment system is controlled by a 10.1-inch touchscreen that supports standard features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bang & Olufsen sound, built-in navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Charged 4.0-liter V8 engine with 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The engine is combined with the 48-volt hybrid technology utilized in other Audi models, including the A8 luxury sedan and Q8 crossover. The RS6 Avant Performance uses an 8-speed automatic gearbox to power the standard quattro all-wheel drive system. The RS6 Avant is estimated to get 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway, which is comparable to what the E63S and Panamera Turbo S Sport Turismo get.